Hey, it's Clay at claytrader.com. This will be a live trade video where I try to capture some of my trades as they play out live. Real quick, when I say live, what I mean is I'm recording myself right now in real time, seeing the information, seeing the data for the very first time. So to respect your time, if you are looking for a video where the person's got hindsight in their favor and they're doing a trade recap or something like that, this won't be a video for you. But if you are open to the idea of an unscripted, nitty-gritty look into what it's like to be a day trader and how day trading can play out, I'm very confident you'll find value in this video. So I will go ahead and pause the recording software for now, and I'll be back at market open. All right, price is pulling back here a bit on SPY, looking to play a call at 19. So this pullback needs to come down a bit more. So let's see if we can get that drop. There we go. Nope. Let's go to 1820 now. And I'm at 1820. Okay, at this point, I think I can get 1770. Let's try that now. I will go ahead and pause and keep a close eye on it. Okay, I'm at 1770. Go to 1620 now. Just want to see one more kind of push to the downside. I will go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1720 here. Changing that down to 1670. Want to just see it come up a bit more. I will go ahead and pause. I'm at 1870 here, trying to buy a pullback to that previous breakout point. You're going to see it come down a bit more. We're almost there, and I'm in. And out for a nice little $50 scalp. And what I'm most excited about that is the charts you see right here. For you longtime viewers are saying, Clay, something's different here. What's going on? These are, I'm trying these charts, and these are from Weeble. And Weeble is completely free, who I usually use, eSignal. I have them up until, I think, August, September, because I always buy per year, and it's like over $2,000 per year. And then I did a video recently that, in fact, if you go on the channel, I did a comparison of Weeble, TradingView, and eSignal. And Weeble was holding its own against eSignal, which is very, very expensive, and again, who I usually use. So I thought, you know, could I actually just use Weeble charts, which are totally free? Like, would that is that possible? It's one of those, like, what's the catch? What is this too good to be true? What exactly is going on? But I mean, you just saw it right there. Mapped it out. You saw it pull back to that blue line, bought, got the nice little bounce, took my quick little $50 sniper shot. And that was all made possible with a completely free chart, which I think looks just fine. I mean, I think I like the look of eSignal charts better. And fair enough. I mean, maybe I do too a little bit, but is the quote unquote look worth, which breaks down, they're like $150 a month. Is that look worth $150 a month? I don't know. I don't think so. I care about more so, is it, up to date? It's not lagging or anything like that. And no, it's not lagging. It's doing just fine. So yes, I'm very, very happy about that. Granted, it's one trade, but still, I've been watching it all morning, kind of messing around with it a little bit. But Weeble charts, totally free, coming through. Helped me see the pullback. Bought the pullback. Made my nice little scalp. So I'm pretty excited about that. So just put that trend line in there. Very anticlimactic. I can click on it, change whatever color you want. So make it red for resistance. Should probably change just to green, since that's what my eyes usually use. Okay, now this could be a problem. Where is green? Come on, really? This is as close to green as you get? I guess so. I mean, Yeah, I guess that's green. Just not the green I'm used to. But it is still, I think, technically green. But anyways. Okay, so I guess that's a complaint. Is the green isn't quite as green. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Okay, this is good. Keeping up fast. Oh yeah, it's 10 o'clock, so there was some sort of news that came out. Good, and it's keeping up with it. Again, I'm watching the level 2s, which come from my broker, Lightspeed, which is direct access. And look at that, keeping up just fine. That's matching up right where. If it's not matching up, it's off by just microseconds, which I'm okay with. I don't need it to be down to the nanosecond matching up. But as far as I can tell, that seems to be, okay, this is good. Very, very good. This probably sounds like an ad for Weeble, and maybe it is because I do have an affiliate link, but at the same time, for those of you that have more context, you know that I've never used this before, and you know, I've always been paying over $150 per month for my charting software, so to have something like this that's completely free, and I've recommended Weeble for a long time, but I've never, I guess, you know, thought, you know, let me put it to use, and just in a situation like this, because I'm so used to eSignal, but been with them since, I don't know, 2006? 2007, oh, something crazy like that. So it's kind of, I guess, one of those almost brand loyalty things where where it makes you irrational in some senses. But yeah, this is very, very encouraging. That was some very jumpy movement. And, you know, as you looked over at the level 2s, let me bring this over just so you can see it a little bit better. But because I know some of you might be new. When I say level 2s, I mean this over here. So this is showing you the actual price. So when you see those numbers here, that is the number that should be reflected right there. And like I said, as far as I can tell, it's the same. Maybe it's slightly off. I don't know. Let me know it on the comment section. Do you think it's majorly off, or does that seem to be pretty much on board? Because, I mean, no doubt about it, eSignal, that's going to be matching up pretty perfectly. But I mean, to be fair, eSignal has its problems every now and then. But this, as far as I can tell, match up. Okay, I got to stop talking though, because let's. All right. Let's go down to 19. Just double checking some things. Or let's do 1870. There we go. And we'll see if we can get a move there. But yeah, nice trendline break. Little tricky, broke out, came back down, acted like it wanted to fail, but then said, nope, no, we are going to truly break out. Yeah, this is easy to track, easy to follow, at least visually to me. I don't know, let me know. What, do you think these things look terrible compared to eSignal? I'll be the first to admit I think eSignals look better, but is it enough better to want to pay $150, $155, whatever it is? And if you don't pay, I should note, if you don't buy in bulk like I do, then it's over $200 per month. I think it's like $202 or something. Okay, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, just while you're here, let's go to the 5-minute and how. So that's something I've noticed is that kind of makes it a little bit of annoying to see, but it's a quick fix as, so we have this line here, but let's just move it up to that potential area. So right up there. Okay, yeah, easy enough to go back and find. Now I don't like how the VWAP just continues through. I like how eSignal, you know, that wouldn't exist, but again, that's just kind of me being high maintenance a little bit. But like I said, to fix, maybe you don't like the promotions, you just do this and then you can, you know, still keep a very close eye on things. So you can, you know, make it as tight or as... Okay, I'm going to go back to the 1 minute because that's what I'm more curious in right now. So again, you can see how it kind of got tighter proportions, but there we go. Simple as that. And then you can just leave it like that. So it's not like you're having to do that all the time. And I'm more so talking to myself. Because if I had to do that every single, like, be constantly doing that, I could see that get annoying. But for this, once it's set, then it's set. So, okay, cool. Well, I will go ahead and pause and maybe trying to buy a pullback here of some sort. I'll get that line out of there because it's served its purpose. But Ugh, that's so just not green. But I'll live with it. So maybe a pullback area there. I'll go ahead and pause. And just because this is coming into an experimental thing with me, I'll take you along with the experiment. Okay, okay, there we go. So there's the ray. See, okay, I don't like that. Now I can't quite draw. So okay, so slightly annoying there. I'll have to move it down a little bit. There we go. So, whoops, tread line in place. Let's just get it changed. Now, I'm sure I could, yeah. Right there, so it applied to default. Now it should always be red. Let's test that real quick. Yeah, there we go. There we go. Now I don't have to change the color every time. Easy enough. Could I make that? Apply to default. So let's see if all my horizontal lines now are going to be green. Very nice. Okay, awesome. Perfect. Okay. So a little bit more experimentation. I do have an order out there, but I'm going to go ahead and cancel that as it seems to no longer be in play. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, we have another breakthrough, the power of being part of a community. I asked the question, hey, does anybody know, because right now we're having a discussion over this funky green stuff. So anyways, because I didn't really like the color of the candle, so I asked any Weeble chart experts here, how do you change a color? And thank you, Dentman, came up and gave me the way to change those, so I'll walk you through it. So what I did was here, chart settings, and then what I didn't notice was I needed to scroll down, because right here you can pick the colors of the candles. So I guess that's, can I make that any redder? Yeah, right there, I think that's better. Red, and then could I make that maybe a little, I don't know which, that, or is that too light? Let's see. Oh, okay, I could get behind that. Or is there anything else that I missed? Custom background color for, oh, that's extended hours, custom background color. I think black, no, I like black. Don't want grid lines. Okay, cool. All right, I can do that. I'm gonna, in fact, take a screenshot for the chat room now. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I have an order at 1770. So let's see it come down a bit more. Got close for a second. Okay, gonna go ahead and now change it down to 1670. As I always say, options is a bit of a guessing game. So I think 1620 might be more accurate. I want to see another push. Whoa, whoa, whoa. But I did not get filled. Oh, I was best bid. Almost nailed it. Well, again, that was fantastic for the free chart. Kept up perfectly with it. Fantastic. A little annoying I didn't get filled, but yeah, encouraging to see that there was no lag. When it happened on, you know, the level 2s over here, when it happened over there, it happened on the chart. Kind of almost made me poop my pants that I was going to get filled in a microsecond, but didn't quite get crazy enough for me to get filled. But I will, I'll keep watching very closely. And we'll see if I can get a call on this pullback. Okay, I have an order at 720, trying to play right around this trend line here. A put. I really don't like how it's just stopping now where I wanted, so let's try 670 instead. I'll go ahead and pause. Okay. Once again, don't like how it's just stopping right there. In fact, I'm going to go ahead and change strike prices. Let's go to 18 here. Again, in the options word, I changed what's called a strike price. That's why the price of these down here all of a sudden just changed from 6 something to now up over 20. Just went to a new strike price is all. So I will go ahead and pause and we'll see if it can make a move up there. Okay, I have an order at 1210. I'm gonna go to 1170. I think that's where the price will be when if this goes down to that purple line. I think it'll be around 1270. So as always, a bit of a guessing game. So when the price gets down to that purple line, will this be right here about 1170 so I can get filled? That is the question. Well, I guess the first question is, does the price even go down to that purple line? I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, I had an order at 1670. All right, big move here, so I'm gonna go ahead to 1570 now. That was the move that I wanted, and I was close, but did not quite get filled. So let's see if it wants to make another push upwards. I will go ahead and pause and keep a close eye. Well, I'll keep going here just in case there's another push. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 1170. So let's just see this price pop up a bit more. Now that it's consolidating, we'll go down there. I'll go ahead and pause. All right, just because I feel like I'm taking you on my little experimentation with you, let's, I want to get a trend line in play here. So remember earlier I said, oh, that's annoying because it's in the way. Well, there we go. So I discovered you can just do that. So I'm going to put that trend line in place. And if the price wants to come back up there, I'd be interested at that area. So I will pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it. I have an order at 1470. And the price just went nuts. So if anything, we'll just run some more tests here about when things get nuts. Can WeBull keep up? But I mean, the price or the bid just dropped out, and I was almost best bid. But if this continues, so there we go. So we'll let it roll here. Just like I said, if nothing else, we can track it, see how fast it keeps up. Very good. Would like to see this thing get down right around the 457 mark before I buy. So that's kind of the guess right now. When the price is around 457, is this going to be right around 1470? That is the question. That is the guess right now. But I'll just still let this play so we can... I don't know, maybe you're looking for a chart provider. Maybe you're thinking of switching. So more so in my shoes. And I was looking at my e-signal stuff and I found it. In fact, I took a screenshot of it. But joined them in 2007, July of 2007. So if I do start to use Weeble, that's going to be a tough breakup. But when I joined them in 2007, I mean, capitalism at its finest, these sorts of solutions did not exist back in 2007, where you could have a completely free software program that was, kept up with the markets, that had good enough looking charts. I mean, just did not exist. All right, here we go. Okay, I think it's actually going to be closer to 1420. So it needs to come down just a bit more. I actually wouldn't mind seeing a fake break of 457. But yeah, tech that. I mean, so what's the math on that? I don't even know. I can't even do the math. What, 17 years or something like that? So yeah, 17 years, brokerages, all that has come a long way. When I got started, it was, I think a good deal for like E-Trade was like $10 to buy, $10 to sell, which sounds bizarre now given that, I mean, there's a lot of free brokers out there. And the technology has also caught up where, e-signal is just, I kind of, like I said, fell into the groove, but technology-wise, there's just not a whole lot of difference as I'm witnessing right now. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. All right, so the test here that I want to run is if this does break, so if 457 disappears, how fast does the chart react? Because if 457 disappears here, it should drop relatively quickly. So let's see how it reacts here, if it happens. Again, this is live, so I don't know if it will, but getting close. And that's what I want to see. If 457 disappears, ideally the level 2s drop down at least, 4 or 5 cents, which should create a quick jolt down the chart. So you're going to kind of have to watch both, but that's what I'm curious right now in testing. But in order for the test to happen, like I said, 457 is going to have to be broken. So, all right, I'll pause, but I'll keep a close eye on it and we can watch it together and you can judge it for yourself. Okay, maybe going to happen. I'd rather err on the side of caution. All right, I'll pause. Okay, maybe something here. 02. 01. Okay, there it is. 457 on the dot. Let's see if it breaks. And if it does the chart react quickly as I expect it should? Make at least a quick jolt down. There's the break. Only 1 penny, really? There we go. Yeah, it's reacting pretty much in lockstep there. Okay, there we go. Good. I didn't see any discrepancy there. It seemed the level 2s broke, but the chart didn't do anything. But that was because the level 2s, I mean, it broke and then went 1 penny. So that was kind of crazy. That was not what I expected. So yeah, the chart didn't do a whole lot, but that was because the level 2s literally dropped 1 penny after breaking that 457. So I'm at 1320, but okay, that was a good test, and in some ways even better because the chart truly did behave just like the level 2s did. All right, I'll pause. Okay, I have an order at 1460 here. Nope. Just do not like how it paused right there. Go to 1370 instead. I'll go ahead and pause. Well, not that this is anything unique to Weeble, because charts would show you this, but I mean, check it out. A free platform still gave you that moving average, which served right there, boom, as that area of resistance. Again, to be fair to other chart platforms out there, they would have given you that same data. But to think that, okay, I need to pay a lot of money in order to get that bit of data is just not true. It's right here on the free platform that turned out to be a beautiful area of resistance. All right, potentially another trade here. Let's get this one out of the way for now. So there we go. So yeah, if this thing can get up to that trend line right there, I would be interested in a put. So it's got a bit more ways to go, but it seems to be within striking distance, so I'll keep a close eye on it. Have an order at 1720. That blue line right there. It actually snapped down and I showed up as best bid, but not enough pressure to actually get me filled at the best bid. But I'm feeling pretty good about where the price might be if the price can get down. I want to say blue line, but I guess green. That's, I mean, come on. No, that's not really much better. That's totally blue. That is my complaint. Where is a good quality green? Like, where's this green at? How come I can't make it the color of those candles? Brutal. All right, I'll go ahead and pause. Okay, getting close. Still needs to come down a bit more. I think 1670 will be the more accurate level. We'll see. And watching that candle come on down. Getting close. There we go. In. And out for $50. Boom. Just like that. Beautiful. Let's try it down now at 1420 now. Again, now to be fair, as I said already, the data point that I got here, and any chart would show you that. So it's not like that's specifically for Weeble. But my point here is a free chart gave me the same data point that very expensive charts would give me. So I want to be just completely transparent, and I'm not trying to make it seem like Weeble is some sort of secret tool. That's not what I'm saying, because all charts have candlesticks, they have the same data, all of that. But that's also the point, is they all have the same data, and you just saw me use data from a completely free chart to get myself another nice little trade right there. So yeah, this is very, very encouraging. Okay, I will go ahead and pause. Have an order at 1570 here. As things play out some more, going to go ahead and change it to 1510. So we'll see if we can get another surge in the upwards direction. I will pause for now. I'm going to go ahead and call it good. So I thank you for going on that journey with me, doing some experimenting with WeBull charts, and I'm so excited that they perform fantastically. And yeah, I'll turn this into a quick little FYI, but they're always running great promotions. So if you like what you saw here too, and it visually met your eyes, and it would fulfill what you're looking to do, then use the link down below. And that is an affiliate link. So yes, I will get something, but if you're looking for a free way to just help out the channel, use that link, sign up. I think you got to deposit $100, which you then can use to trade and all that sort of stuff. And you can get access to these charts. Not to mention they'll give you stuff too, which is kind of cool. Is not only is it free, but they'll actually pay you to use these charts, which you just witnessed did a very, very good job of scalping day trading, which is quite impressive. So technology has caught up quite a bit, and I will be using Weeble for the foreseeable future. So if you're interested in using them and you want to help out the channel for free, like I said, I'll put a link down below and you can click there. So that is all I have for you, closing up the day at the $100 mark. Although today was not necessarily me looking to maximize trades, it was more so just like I said, experimenting with Weeble, seeing if it could serve as a replacement. And like I said, I've done fantastically well with it, and I'm very pleased with it. Do you use Weeble? Would you recommend it for charting? Let me know down in the comment section below. Or do you plan on giving them a try? And if you do, use that link. So thanks for hanging out. And if you have any other questions or anything like that on Weeble and the charts, definitely reach out to me. So I know a longer video, but like I said, this was more of an experimentation than, it was a live trade video, but you know what I mean. So thanks for watching. Hit the like button, leave a comment below, and yeah, go sign up for Weeble. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.